Okay, so today is finally the day. Episode 1 of the FRS rebuild. All I really have planned today is basically tear the car apart, and that's it. I think just take off the body panels, or the flares. I'll take the flares off, take off the wheels, maybe pull out the coilovers if I feel like doing that. It's a little bit chilly out here, so I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna be doing that, but the other stuff definitely for sure. And oh, pull off the bumper. Yeah, so today is episode 1. Let's do this. I already have the car up on jack stands. Yeah, man, this is the last time this car is ever gonna look like this. It's kind of sad. I've been enjoying this setup for a year and a half, I think. I think about a year and a half. I'm not exactly sure on time frames, but I've been enjoying this setup for quite some time. Broken a lot of necks around town and stuff like that. So, but it's finally time to take it up to the next level and do something different with it. So I'm just kind of getting these clips so I can look back at them and always remember, like, this car was like my first like real modified, or this was my first real setup, modified set. You know what I'm trying to say. All right, let's do something. I was going to take this flare off. I'll just do the back one first. I'm actually kind of curious to see like what it's going to look like up under the flare, because I haven't washed up under these things since I put them on. I don't even think I've taken them off. So this is going to be interesting. I may have to speed this up because this can be kind of, taking these things out can be a little bit tedious. These if there's one thing that's really held up really well on this car, is this Downstar hardware. I mean, I'm not like promoting them or anything. I mean, but the hardware is nice, is what I'm trying to say. It looks almost as good as the day I put it on. No rust. The black on the things haven't even really faded that much. Alright, last one, and I think it's the last one, and then I should be able to pull it off. And then we can see what this looks like. I'm sure it's not pretty. Alright, here we go. Whoo-wee! Where did all that dirt come from? Holy smokes. Let's set this down. It's wrecked anyway. Oh man. Yeah, this thing's gonna need some TLC. I want to redo these fenders too when I get the chance. Maybe weld them this time. I don't have a welder or anything, but maybe if I can get my hands on like a cheap one, I can recut them higher and weld them up. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, this thing is dirty. That's crazy. And like a big ton of dirt just fell out of that fender right there. Okay, so I can imagine most of them are gonna probably look like this. To get the front ones off though, I'm gonna have to pop that wheel off because there's a screw up in there that's holding it on. And the only way to get that fender off, I guess I could take them both off together. It don't matter. That's all right, come apart. All right, now for the front one. I got all the hardware out, so let's see what this one looks like. What in the world? This one isn't that bad, actually. No, not that bad at all. Let me show you. Yeah, this one's not horrible. Focus. Yeah, we'll soak in water, clean that right up. Even though I really probably just need to get, well, I definitely for sure have to get new front fenders, because like I told you earlier in a previous video, these holes aren't going to line up with the holes that I'm going to have to drill for the new kit. So front fenders are definitely going to have to be replaced, but just all of that, and the bumpers. I got a new bumper obviously, but yeah, this doesn't look as bad as I thought it would, but you know. Yeah, alright, guess I need to pop the wheels off, get the fenders off the other side, and what else do I want to do? Oh, bumper. Gotta get the bumper off. Okay, so the homie Marquis showed up. I got front and rear fenders off. I guess I need to take the wheels off. I don't feel like doing that, but I'm gonna take the wheels off, pop the bumper off, and what the heck else am I gonna do? I mean, I don't know. I'll probably just pull the coilovers off too, because I need to sell those. I need some more money in my pocket, and I'm broke. So I'll probably pull the coilovers off and throw those up for sale. I hate taking wheels and tires. Where's this bird keep coming from? I know they're trying to build a nest in here. I hate taking wheels and tires on and off, but it's gotta happen.
Yep. Go ahead, do what you
I feel like I should wash it before I don't care. I'll figure that out later.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm looking at this. Got the wheels off, and I forgot how much of a pain in the butt it is to. I mean, it's not really a pain in the butt, but I mean, the rear ones kind of are, to take the coilovers out. I guess I could drop the whole lower control on because I got to replace those anyway, but yeah, it's gonna, I might as well just suck it up and go ahead and do it. As much as I don't want to.
Suck it up. Suck it up.
That's what she
all the way up.
Yeah, so I decided I'm not gonna take the coilovers off tonight, but I am gonna pull the rear bumper off and pull off this crash bar. I got this wrench stuck in there, so I'm just gonna pull the bumper off so I can have easier access to these holes and get through here and pull those nuts off the rear crash bar. But that's stuck in there. The bolt is out, but I just can't get the wrench out because it's just too tight of a space. I should have went, well, you can't see it. I should have went through that hole right there to pull it out, but I was too lazy to go get an extension, so I went under it and it got stuck. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the bumper off because it just needs to be pulled off anyway, and try to get this rear crash bar pulled out. For whatever reason, I can't get the bumper to come out of this side, so I'm probably gonna pull this tail light off too.
Yes, but yeah, you deserve it.
All right, here we go. I can just get this other wrench out. Bam. For those of you that don't know, I'm taking this off because I have to take it off to run a chassis mount wing, so I won't be using this.
Damn, I haven't even seen.
I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not gonna use it. Oh, crap.
Have you opened the wing yet?
I'm taking like one part out of it.
I haven't seen it yet. That's what I just realized. I forgot you had the freaking wing.
I haven't seen it either myself.
Why haven't you seen it?
I've taken literally one piece out of it, and then that's it.
Like, you should be the person that sees it. Like,
it's got like it's like full of packing peanuts, and I don't want to dump all that stuff all over the place.
we might have to open it up because I want to see it.
You might have to wait.
No, fuck.
Yeah. So as far as tear down, that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. I'm just gonna round up all these bolts, plastic clips, and probably put them in like a bag and label them so I can remember where they go, because I don't know when I'm gonna put them back in there. So yeah, this is pretty much where I'm gonna end this video. I know tearing down some jive.
Oh, okay.
I know tearing down some stuff isn't the most exciting thing in the world, but it's just part of the build, so I'm gonna end it right here.
Part of life, guys, you know what I'm saying? Before you build something up, you gotta tear something down.
Yeah, so like and subscribe. Episode 2 is coming whenever I film episode 2, I don't know. So yeah, peace out.
And go follow me on YouTube, Phantom Peach. Peace.